Master financial literacy for the whole family with money lessons for all ages. Your essential guide to money management. Now available for just $9.99. This ebook offers practical tips for every generation, helping kids, adults, and seniors learn how to save, budget, and invest wisely. Empower your family with the knowledge to make smarter financial decisions and build lasting financial confidence. Whether you're teaching children the value of money or refining your own financial skills, this guide provides easy-to-follow lessons to help everyone succeed. If you order Day Trading Stocks, A Path to Financial Freedom today for $49, you'll also receive 21 financial books free, valued at over $200 to help build wealth for your family and business. Visit wmfinancialinfo.com and start your journey to financial freedom today. Follow our page and subscribe for more expert guides, money tips, and financial growth resources only on wmfinancialinfo.com.